Just a quick thing. 1, 2, 3. First place, second place, third place. Okay. We don't need to count this row. We have 1 area, 2 areas, 3 areas, right? Then we have, let's put 4 out over here. Okay. And let's put 5 over here. These areas are empty. Okay. Then we're going to go and put 6 over here and 7 over here. These areas are empty. Area here all the way down. 1 on the first level. Okay. 1 on the first level. 1 on the 4th level. 1 on the 7th level. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 on the 7th level and back to the first level. 8 and 9. First level, back to the first level, 8 and 9. Do you get it? We're going to show you again. Here's 1. Here's 2. Here's 3. Here's a space. Okay, there's a space of 1 here, and there's a space of 1 here. There's a total space of, this is an area space, 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 this is an area space. We have a total of 5 right away to start with. Now we're going to start you over one more time, and this is what we're going to do. Here is 1, here is 2, here is 3, and here is a void. 1, 2. 3 areas void. Excuse me, 1 to the left. That means it's space over here. I'm trying to look at it myself. This is a space. This is a space. And this is a space. There are 3 spaces and only 1 empty. That's better. Now we're going to do a space here. And we're going to do a space here. Okay. And now we're going to have 1, 2, 3 empty. Okay, and this would be 1, this would be 2, this would be 3. This space over here, right, we're going to mark it down as 4. This area space is 5. In fact, we're going to flip this thing over again and do it one more time because it's not clean now that you understand what I'm talking about. Here's the first area. Boom, boom, slow. 1, 2, 3, and we have an open space. We're going to circle it, okay? Then we're going to have 4. Then we're going to have 5. Okay, because it's the furthest. It's the furthest away, right? 1 goes to 1. Okay, point 2.1, 2.2, etc. Okay, 4, and then this is 5, and then you have 2, 3, 4 empty area. 2, 3, 4 vibration. Okay, then you have 6, and then you have 7. So we put 6 here, we put 7 here, and then you have 5, 6, 7, 8 empty spaces, 9 empty spaces. Then we have a box here, and then we have a box here, and we're going to call that 8 and 9. And as we're doing that, okay, this is the top row. So we're going to go A, B, C, D, right? A row, B row, C row, D row, and this will be the E row. Okay, E is the E row. E is the E row, 8 and 9. Then you're going to go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. 16 empty spaces, and 9 are used to enclose. Okay, 16 empty spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in this area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this area. Right? 1, 2, 3 in this area, and 1 in this area. And this is basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 numbers used. And now what we're going to do is either we're going to go one more area and go 10 and 11, bringing 20 and 22 together, bringing 21 blackjack together, and then we're going to close it back to 8. And don't forget we're using 2 cubes. So we have to know the numbers that's in each cube. This would be row 2, right? This would be E. So what would be E? 5. 5 times 16 equals 90. 50 and 90 go here. 36 and 20 go here. Right? 1, 2. Now look at this. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now check this out. 8 and 8 equals to 16. 1 and 6 equals to 7. And 8 equals to 24 equals to 6. And 8 equals to 32 equals to 5. And 8 equals to 40 equals to 4. And so on. And that's what 8 does. It comes down a level. So how many levels? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5 levels, and this is the F level. The F level is where 10 and 11 comes in. That is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equaling to 21. This is where your cube somehow comes in, maybe connecting something from 3 rows. I'm not really sure. The last thing I wanted to show, I'm not sure if I put in this video, was the minimum I need for a single string. See the single line here and the single line here? The absolute minimum I need to create this design is this. Okay, see the 3 and the 3, but if you really take a look, right, it's the 2. See the way they make the 2 and the 3? They put that together, right? This design is year 11. It's an automatic, this design and this design must go here and follow what separation comes from this design over here. So now we have tic-tac-toe, and there's now if you want, we're going to close this in over here, your 4 cubes, and your 5th cube, or the next cube that comes in, is 1, 2, 3, a set of 9s, 1, 2, 3. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now watch what happens with this design. Okay, with this design you come in with 6, right? So you can crisscross this design. But once you come in only with 3 more boxes that I'm sharing the center over here, I automatically, okay, can create another 2 X's, but I now create a whole game inside of here. And that's what this design does. And then I have to understand that this should have been made maybe one more step inside this. Okay, so if I have to set up this, I would have to set up another set of blocks. Now, I'm not sure if I should have made this design with the separation or not, but if I do exactly what I say, I would have to have another separation here. And then I would have another separation over here. So I would have, when I do this, what I'm trying to say is that it's a separation of 3. I have, here's the center with this one and this one, and then here's the center with this one and this one, and then here's the center with this one and this one, and they just keep on moving in and connecting. I wish I can explain it more, but here's your 4 blocks. It takes 4 blocks. All we need is 4 blocks. Turn it on this angle, and we got the perfect, okay, diameter for everything. And we've also got the height, right, and the depth. Height and depth. We've got everything we need. We don't need to know any more. Raphael, thank you for watching.